Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Doordash payment error. So first and foremost, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open the Doordash app on your device. So once you're into the app, make sure that you are actually signed into your account. So let's go ahead and head over into the app from my device. So let's go ahead and open the app. From here, go ahead and head over into the accounts tab by clicking at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the accounts tab, head over into the payment methods section. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the available payment methods that you have registered for your account. If you have registered a credit or debit card, go ahead and open that and check if the credentials are correct for that. You can go ahead and remove that and re-add that to try again if that will work out. But if it doesn't work out still, then the reason might be you don't have enough balance for your account to pay for your order using that payment method. And that is how you can simply fix Doordash payment error. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.